So guys, here you can see one more I came out the Python, and in today's Python video I'm telling about why do we need functions in Python. Why do we need it? So in today's video we are learning about it. So the video start to end, and please like this video, share and subscribe to my channel. Do not forget to all the notification bell also, so you never miss out any future latest videos about the Python. So without taking any time, let's move computer screen and let's do a coding with loving. So guys, here you see one more me came out the Python, and in today's Python video I am telling about the why do we need functions in Python. Why do we need it? So in today's video we are learning about it. So let's learn about it without wasting any time, and let's learn about why do we need functions in Python. Functions in Python are essential for improving the reusability or readability and organization of your code. Instead of writing the same block of code multiple times, and you can define it once as a function and call it wherever needed. Here's one explanation with examples. Okay, let me show you where it is. First, code reusability. Okay, let me show you what is the meaning of code reusability. What can do? It code reusability function allow you to reuse the same logic multiple times, reducing and redundancy. Like this is one example here. You can say when I copy this example, and when I go on my Visual Studio Code, and when I create a new window, and in that new window when I create a file by the name of index.py, and when I'm making this file on my documents, and when I create a file, and yes, so the file will be made it. And when you write this type of code here in the second to fourth line, here this is the without a function, and then in the 7th and 8th and 10th, 11th, 12th, this is the with a function. Okay, now let me save it. Let me save it and run it. So it give me the output should be welcome Alice, welcome Bob, Charlie, Alice, Bob, Charlie. Why it give me the multiple times? Okay, why it give me the multiple times? Because first of all, first is without a function, and this is the with a function. Here we write the welcome, then here I write like in the bracket name, then it give like in the then it will put in the name like Alice, Bob, Charlie. Okay, like this. Okay, and now using the function it looked like this. Without the function it looked like this, and with the function it looked like this. Okay, this is called the code readability. Now number 2, code readability. The code readability functions make the code cleaner and easier to understand by grouping the related code into a logical blocks. Let me show you. This is one code. Let me save it and paste it. Here we do it now. Let me show you. This is the 2 to 6 line. This is the without a function, less readable, and in the 9 to the 16 line, this is the with a function, more readable. Okay, so let me save it, and then it should give me the output. You are eligible to vote. You are eligible to vote. You are not eligible to vote. Okay, why did it give me like this? Like, let me show you. Because I write here age 2015 like this. If I write here age 10, save and run, should give me you are eligible to vote, you are eligible to vote, and you are eligible to vote like this. Or if I write here 60, save it and run it, should give me you are eligible to vote, you are not eligible to vote, you are not eligible to vote. Like that is giving. Like that you can do it very easily. Yes. Okay. And now if I write here 10, should give me you are eligible to vote. If I write here 20, and if I write less sign, save it, and it should give me you are not eligible to vote, you are not eligible to vote, you are not eligible to vote. Like that you give me this type of output. Like that you can do it very easily. Yes. Or you see in the something why do you give me the different output? Because I am changing the age from here, that's why. Okay. Number 3, avoid repetition. Function help avoid copying the same code multiple times, reducing the chances of errors. Okay, this is one example here, you can see it. Let me copy this example and paste it. What here we are doing, first of all, the 2 to 8 line, this is a without a function repeated code, and 11 to 15 line, this is the with a function. Okay, now let me save it, and then it should give me output should be sum of 5 and 10 is 15. Okay, means that when you plus 10 and 5, so equals to 15, and sum of 3 and 7 is 10. Okay, so like that means that sum of 3 and 7 means when you plus 3 or 7 it equals to 10, like that. Or you can change the number from here also. Okay, when you give here 80 and 40 or 90 or 15. Okay, now save it and run. So give me the 40 and 80 is 120 and 90 and 15 is 105. Like that you can do it. Number 4, easier maintenance. When you need to update a logic, you only have to modify it in one place. This is one example. Here you can see it. Now let me copy it and let me paste it. Now in this example, the 2 to 10 line, this is the without a function, and the 13 to 17 line, this is the with a function. Okay, now let me save it and run it. So give me the output should be save it and run. Final price is 90.0, final price is 170.0, final price 90.0, and final price 170.0. Okay, why did you like that? Because here I like 215, like that. You will also change the number from here. It is your own choice. If you want to change the number, you will be changed it. If you do not want to change the number, you do not change it. Okay, this is your own choice. Now, conclusion. Functions in Python. First, promote the code reuse. Number 2, improve the readability and maintainability. Number 3, make it easier to debug and extend your code. By using the functions, you can write more efficient or organized programs. Okay, by using the functions. Here you can see it. By using the function, we do like this, and you are also change the number from here. Well, okay, it is your own choice. When you I change the price will be like 858, and if I give like here this. Now when I save it and run it, so it give me final price 772.2, then 2,16,043.55, then 90.0, then 170.0. You will also change the number from here. It is your own choice. And when I control Z from here, and here you will be also change the names. Okay, if you want to change it, okay, it is your own choice. Like here you give the Rayyan, and then here you give like welcome Rayyan, welcome John, and then welcome Michael. Now save it and run it. So give me welcome Rayyan, welcome John, welcome Michael, then it will give me welcome Alice in this line. Okay, like that you can do it, or you can change the name also using this. Okay, when I control Z it, control shift Z, control shift Z. Okay, you press control shift Z. Okay, now it has been came. So like that, or you can if you do not understand, so you will see the video one more time. Okay, it is your own choice. And when I copy this code, and you will be also be change the number from here, like 50, like 900, like here you can like 184, like this, and then and like this. Now save it and run it. Should give me sum of 50 and 900 is 950. The sum of 184 and 89489 is 89673. Like you are thinking the Python is like a math. Okay, you solve your any question of math using the Python. Okay, like that you can do it. Now here you can see it. In today's video of Python, I told you about the why do we need functions in Python. So I hope you can enjoy this class and you understand the functions are very important in our Python and Python. Okay, it is very important, and like and in today's video you see the why do we need functions in Python. So I hope your concept will be clear about it. So if you enjoy this video, so please like this video, share and subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to all the notification bell also, so you never miss our any future related videos about the Python. And please like this video, share and subscribe to my channel also, and please access my Python playlist and bookmark it also, so you never miss our any future related videos, because whenever I upload my video, I upload it in my playlist. And if you want to see my playlist, so how you can see it, you go on to Google and write here, like let me show you what you can write here. You write here Rayyan, and when you write here Rayyan, so my channel has been opened. Click on my channel, and here I uploaded videos, and we successfully completed the 125 videos of the Python. Okay, successfully, yes. And now come on to the playlist. Okay, now come on to the playlist, and then come on to the Python tutorial playlist. And what can you do here? Here this first video, and what you can do here, first of all, you go here. First of all, bookmark it. I have already bookmarked it. Okay, I do not want to bookmark it another time. I have already bookmarked it. First of all, you bookmark it and then access and see the videos start to end. Okay, one till 120 20. Okay, see all the videos. Okay, so now I'm in next class and next very amazing class. So for today, goodbye.